Now we shall discuss about our exercise 5.3. In the first part we have to add the fractions. The first fraction given is 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. So how can we add the fractions? 3 by 4, here we putting the symbol plus. Now to add the fraction, take the LCM of the denominators. What is the LCM of 4 and 3? As these are co-prime numbers, so multiply simply these. 4 into 3 is 12. So our LCM here is 12. Now divide the LCM with denominator, and what would you get? Multiply it with the numerator. Like divide 12 with 4, you will get 3. Multiply 3 with 3. Plus here as such, and divide again the LCM with the denominator. Dividing 12 with 3, we get 4. Multiplying 4 with 2. So firstly we will multiply according to board mass. 3 into 3 is 9. 2 into 4 is 8 upon 12. That is 17 upon 12. You can also convert it into mixed fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator. That is 1, our main answer, and then 5 upon 12. And that's the answer. In the next part, we have to subtract. Subtract 2 by 11 minus 1 by 5. Do it in the similar manner, but where there is plus, now there is of minus symbol. Just take the LCM of 11 and 5. Again 11 and 5 are co-prime numbers, so simply multiply these. 11 into 5 is 55. Now divide this LCM with denominator. Dividing 55 by 11, you will get 5. So multiply 5 with 2. Taking minus symbol as such. Now divide 55 with 5. Again divide LCM with denominator. 55 upon 5 is 11. So here multiplying 1 with 11, that is 11 itself. So multiplying here 10 minus 11 upon 55. 10 minus 11 is minus 1 upon 55, and that's the answer. In the third part, we will simplify the terms. So we can simplify the terms. Our question is, question number second, 2 by 3 plus 8 by 9 minus 2 by 5. To solve it, firstly take LCM of the denominators. Here the denominators are 3, 9 and 5. First go on the table of 3. Here is 1, 3 3 is a 9, and 5 doesn't go, write it as such. Again on the table of 3, 3 1s are 3, 5 as such. Now on the table of 5, so our LCM of the denominators 3, 9 and 5 is 3 into 3 into 5, that is 9 into 5, 45. So now we can write here LCM is 45. Divide 45 by 3. If you divide 45, this means 45. If you divide 45 with 3, you will get 15. So multiplying 2 with 15 plus as such. Now divide 45 with 9. How can we divide 45 with 9? This is 45. 3 into 3 is 9. Means we have to multiply the numerator with 5. 8 into 5. again divide the denominator, sorry, LCM with the denominator. Divide 45 with 5. If you divide 45, this is 45, if you divide 45 with 5, you will get the answer 9. So multiply numerator with 9. Now first multiply the terms and then add or subtract. 30 plus 40 minus 18 upon 45. 30 plus 40 is 70 minus 18 upon 45. If you will subtract, you will get the answer 52 upon 45. Now you can again make it in the mixed fraction by dividing the terms. 45 ones are 45 and here we are left with 7. So our remainder is 7 upon 45 and that's the answer. So in this manner you have to complete your exercise of chapter number 5. Open your notebooks and write down the homework. Write down exercise 5.1. There are only 4 parts, that is 1 to 4 in your syllabus, and exercise 5.2 and 5.3. These are full exercise included in your syllabus. So try to do the homework in your notebooks. Thank you.